If ARC Raiders won't launch and shows a launch error, don't worry. This usually happens because of corrupted files, easy anti-cheat issues, or permissions problems. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, close the launcher completely. Make sure ARC Raiders and any background processes are not running in Task Manager. Next, run the launcher as administrator. Right-click the ARC Raiders launcher and choose Run as administrator. This fixes permission-related launch problems. Now, repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Go to the Game Installation folder, Easy Anti-Cheat, Easy Anti-Cheat _setup.exe, select ARC Raiders, and click Repair Service. After that, verify game files. If using Steam, right-click ARC Raiders, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Also, disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, MSI Afterburner, and screen recorders. These often interfere with launching the game. Finally, check firewall and antivirus settings. Allow ARC Raiders and Easy Anti-Cheat through your firewall. Temporarily disabling antivirus can help confirm if it's blocking the game. Once done, restart your PC and launch ARC Raiders. In most cases, this fixes the launch error completely.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.